So I wake up this morning, I'm sitting in my office going through my agenda, and to my surprise, I find that Filmic Pro may be switching to a subscription base. Yeah, subscription. So I found two other videos on the interweb. They were talking about subscription based. Photographer or whatever, I'll have the link down to his channel. As he was saying or showing on there, there might be moving up to like $2.99 a month, a week. I don't know. Nothing has been really officially announced from them. But I guess on Reddit, the word has been out and they responded, yeah, we're trying out some different stuff. And I'm like, whoa. You know, I understand as an app developer, this is the better way to get an income stream coming in, to keep the money coming in every month versus just a one-time fee. People buy it one time and that's it. You know, like after I bought it, they've never got any more money from me ever again. Because even, well, they did one more time when I bought the creators kit or whatever, but I bought that all together right then and there. If I was a new one and they bought a new subscriber and I paid for the $4.99 or the $3.99 and that money just keeps coming in every single month, that's like, yeah, as an app owner, yeah, I'm like, have the money keep coming. For us consumers, like really, like especially mobile filmmaking, like basically whatever I spend on a year paying out Filmic Pro, I could have took that and bought a real camera, right? Now, as far as like, you know, the beginners, I think it's gonna hurt them more than anything because like when I first started, I didn't have a lot of money. That's why I started using my cell phone, right? And like subscription based, it's just that kills half of your audience probably. Most of people can't even afford to do a monthly payment or a weekly payment on something. So I feel for them because this was a great way. This got me into content creation, was mobile filmmaking. This got me into everything that I did. And Filmic Pro was a big stepping stone for me to get to that. Like before, when I first got into it, it wasn't available for Android. It was only Mac exclusive. And then as you know, as time went on, it finally came out for the iPhone, for the Androids. And then like, boom, I was just gone from there on, just filming. 300 videos later, you know, here I am. Now, alternatives. Like if you are a Filmic Pro user and a great alternative is MC Pro. I mean, I'm using MC Pro right now to film at this moment here. And for the price that you pay for MC Pro, it's almost close to what you were going to pay for Filmic Pro. I get all my color grading, all my LUT profiles and log profiles are already included. And matter of fact, on Amazon, it's like 21 bucks for the app. That's it. Boom, you pay the fee and you got everything, right? And I think it's even maybe $16 or $17 on the Google App Store. I'm not exactly sure. But then you don't have to keep paying that extra for this, for Cine Pack and this pack, because even I think on the subscription in Filmic Pro, that doesn't even include that. Like you still have to you still have to buy those. Like I'm getting all frustrated because I think that's such a ripoff. That was one thing I hated already, was like you have to pay extra for these little extra things. Just give me a one-time fee and be done with it. I hate people when they nickel and dime you, and that's what, you know, it feels like Filmic Pro is doing right now. They're gonna be kind of like nickel and diming you to the end. So just skip it. Go to the alternative, Android users, or if you have a device that's capable of it, motion cam. Like it was hard for me to shoot this video here in MC Pro because I'm so spoiled with the motion cam app. 8-bit CND denim, blah, 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 blah. It's just crazy. If you guys already know, I got many videos about it. It's fantastic, but I wanted to make a point and I went back to this app here. And again, if you guys are interested, also stay tuned because I'll show you guys my color grading and all that. You can click the video will pop up here and show you how I graded this using MC Pro, a wide gamut, basically their Aria Alexa gamut version. So I mean, already we're talking about gamuts. You can't do that in Filmic Pro. So enough of my ranting. Let me know how you guys feel, what you guys think about this whole subscription based thing. Is it good? Is it going to hurt the filmmaking community? Like, what's the deal? How do you feel? Vent, rant. Let's get it. Let's get the conversation started because I'm ready. I'm gonna get back to my podcast, and do some more ranting. So definitely take a look at this video, color grading process of this video. Patrick Levar, keep filming. Catch you guys in the next one. Morning coffee. Peace.